This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation,
Team match.
take
Let's
frequent
go.
breaks, and play responsibly.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Reloading.
Killing spree for the red team!
Cover me.
Killing spree for the blue team! The red team is in the lead.
Reloading.
Killing spree for the red team!
Fire. Cover me. Reloading.
The red team is about to win!
Losing the game. Red team victory.
Ani murid tembak, Mas. ai khen đấy.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match. Let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
Đĩa.
No mercy. Cover me.
Nằm cho đi. Chết. Sẽ còn chăm chút chơi mà nhỉ.
Killing spree for the blue team.
Reloading.
Cảm giác sẽ còn một đi nào.
Cover me.
The blue team is in the lead.
Reloading. Nice shot. Cover me. No mercy. Reloading.
Killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is about to win.
Great. You're about to win. No mercy. Cover me. Reloading. Cover me. Blue team victory.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
I got supplies.
Team match. Let's go.
First point for the red team.
Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me. Reloading.
Watch out. Search for vehicles.
Cover me.
Watch out. Marked a location. Blue team.
Reloading.
Watch out. Watch out.
Cover me.
Watch out.
Fire. Reloading.
Watch out. Help.
นี่เป็นแบบเฮ้ยเออ
Đấy đấy.
มาที่ต้องกล้วย
Cover me. Reloading.
Watch out. Marked a location.
Cũng biết đồ ăn cười cái ấy.
อืม
Watch out. Watch out.
Cover me.
over, and the blue team is in the lead.
Reloading. Engine down. Cover me.
Watch out!
Reloading.
Watch out! Watch out! Marked a location.
Cover me. Engine down. Reloading.
Watch out! The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Great. You're about to win.
Watch out!
Cover me.
Watch out!
Blue team victory.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match. Let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
Reloading. Cover me.
Killing spree for the blue team! The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Great. You're about to win. Down. Reloading. Victory. Cover me.
Dirigió la final de la League Cup también entre estos dos equipos. Debutó el 19 de mayo del 2012 en un partido entre Montreal y New York. Red Bull, ingeniero mecánico graduado en la Universidad de Texas.
ห้าสุดเนียนห้ามไปดอก
This
เนียน
is a simulation game set in a virtual world
That is
and
like
does
what's
not
new?
represent real life. Please
Yes, yeah,
play
no,
in
no, no,
moderation,
yeah. How far is
take
it?
frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
เอ้ยเคยมีสุดเนียน
Team match. Let's go.
ยอดตู้มือเป็นไรหลายร้อยเต๋า
Pasa Gani sin ningún problema, sin tocar el arco. El primer tiro de esquina del partido es favorable a la visita. Comienza a hacer daño temprano a Mokhtar.
First point for the red team! I got supplies.
Aquí viene el tiro de esquina, el primero, balón arriba. Surridge con golpe de cabeza, venía el despeje, queda pegando.
Cover me.
La quiso acomodar. La quiso poner allí en la boquita. Por la banda izquierda. Cerquita la marca de Franco Negri, no pudo.
Reloading.
Ricardo la etiqueta de gol. ¿Por qué Mokhtar no le pegó al arco y prefirió dárselo a Surridge? La mirada de Leo Campana se vuelve a salvar Miami. Tiro de esquina. Lleva la pelota larga y aquí viene el... Simplemente allí conquista nomás Danny Lovitz. La quinta con Nashville.
Watch out!
Quedó perfecta para el remate en dos tiempos. Pánico. Se hace de
Blue team is in the lead. Killing spree for the red team.
no pasado el peligro. Le queda para el remate. Messi está del otro lado. Se equivoca. Va quedando la pelota. Lucho.
Killing
I got
spree for
supplies.
the blue team.
Coman, el portero pánico. El esfuerzo de Suárez. Mira el esfuerzo casi se desgarra.
Cover me.
Para llegar nada. Tercer tiro de esquina para Miami. Al primero.
Watch out!
Levante bien en alto. De Cory Parker. Una serie de jugadas exquisitas.
Reloading.
Watch out!
Sorbazo de Aníbal Godoy, el panameño de media distancia. Primera etapa. Franco Negri, el gol en contra en los 2 minutos. Leo Messi a los 11 lo empató. Sergio Busquets de cabeza. A los 39 ya tiramos el cherry, por ahí nos sacan la tira. Bueno, están los
Killing spree for the red team. Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead.
Watch out! Watch out!
Reloading.
Is about
Watch out.
to win.
Be careful. You're losing the game. Reloading.
Muy fuerte, muy largo, estaba incómodo el canadiense, parecía, claro, ahí le pega el algodón. Otro remate de Messi.
Watch out!
Blue team victory.
Le quedaba a Suárez la oportunidad de una nueva falta de Gref en pista. Ismail tiro libre para por el toque de Leo. Marca para Boca, si se da la vuelta está el empate, mete el servicio. Resuelve muy bien. Drake Callender se hace del balón. Hay 3 jugadores listos para ingresar. Y por ahora, el shuffle. Ahora sigue el canadiense. Bueno, el remate. Ahora sí. Los cambios. Y sáqueme el cronómetro de su pantalla. Está Franco Negri en la proyección. Desde la profundidad. Aquí viene Messi.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match. Let's go.
points for the red team.
Hello and welcome to I-League 2024-25, live from the SSA Stadium Shillong. Shillong totally
Ôi, chết rồi. Trời ơi, đất.
Cover me!
Killing spree for the red team.
punya drone show yang tu dari khang loi mặt đèn với cái sầm đèn thích ơi khang cái lối gì thì bây giờ mặt của anh đây phiêu giờ lẽ nhưng cả
Yêu là.
nhà coi nha hả dạ bây giờ đó cả bằng đẹp quy lên cả bằng
With that quality of the pass, from Nico Sindari. Having already scored a couple of goals.
The theater is alive!
Geelong touch on. Red once more. They're showing what they're capable of. So much of high press. Even in the second quarter. What great conversion.
The blue team is in the lead.
Just 1, 2, 3, into the back of the net.
Reloading!
Red team is about to win.
Be careful! You're losing the game! Cover me! Red team victory!
Tua moves forward here. Some excitement.